Hello, Americans, and other friends and subscribers around the world. Yeah, man, we're trying some Black Rifle coffee. Don't read my mug.
This one. He has been giggling about that mug.
Oh, dude, I love it.
And I got to show him the bottom.
Yeah, I didn't see the bottom, man. I can't. Man, my coffee's full.
Too full to tip it all the way up. No, you can't see it. No.
Well, let me tell you, there's a special gift underneath that one.
So this one here is
it is good.
Just black. Just black. Where did Black Rifle Coffee Company? Okay, I think this one's just called Just Black.
And man, it is amazing. I actually haven't been listing this morning and haven't had time. Yeah. But Cynthia,
Just Black,
sent me a note saying, excuse me, did you see the Black Rifle Coffee About Us series? They released one for Veterans Day about crispy, unbelievable sacrifice. I have not checked that out, but after we're done doing this video and stuff, we definitely will be checking that out. We just got that note. That's awesome, man. I'm telling you, man. Black Rifle Company. There's the logo. And you've seen my other set of cups.
I could have grabbed the empty cup to show
Oh, really?
bottom.
Oh, I'll show them the bottom. Don't you worry. I love it. And it's funny, you know, because you guys know me on here, you know, and I try to make this a family channel, but, you know, when the camera ain't going, once in a while I get a little crazy.
It's pretty representative. It's representative to his personality.
Yeah, absolutely.
You did good, Gregor. Thank you.
I love it, dude. It's so amazing. It's my all-time. I put my fishing mug up, man. I might even sell that mug.
Can you clean that so I can sell it?
Yeah, I'm probably going to sell my fishing mug. I'm keeping this. And the other one, then she's wanting me to give the other one to, because Katie's pretty raunchy. So she's wanting me to give it to one of the kids. Actually, every one of my kids would want it.
Yeah.
And I told her, horse crap, I'm wrapping that one up in bubble wrap and putting it away so if this one gets broke, I got a spare. Love it. You're great, man. So,
Good coffee. Good coffee.
Been listing away this morning. The coffee is flipping amazing, and we'll give you, we might open the other ones. It'd be fun to try to do.
Well, I don't want to
open them all. Yeah, baby, 4 bags, dude. You are the man.
Yeah. So, this one here is just the Just Black.
And it is, man, and it is good.
It's really good. I really like it. I really like it. So, when we open up the next one, we'll make sure to do
a thing.
I gotta remember. Black Rifle Coffee Company. Black Rifle Coffee Company. When we open up the next bag, we'll do a review.
Black Rifle.
I think I've had enough.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I've been drinking. Oh, yeah, we had our donuts, man. It was great. Yeah. I was going to do a video then, but Miss Kitty was wearing her pink shirt still. And she's all, I can't.
It's my jacket.
It is. It's kind of like this one here. It ain't no different than my car thing. Yeah, I don't care, man. As long as Miss Kitty don't say, hey, you smell. It's all good. I do?
No, I'm saying yes. No.
So, don't get all crazy, Miss Kitty. Calm down. Calm down.
I think there's a lot of caffeine in this.
Yeah, dude, man. Not quite as much as that one.
Or it's just so good that I've been...
Dude, it's good. Yeah, but friggin' Leap Year sends us that, man, because that's good stuff. That Death Wish coffee, that's another one to check out.
Did you say his name again?
Leaper.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but
every once in a while you say Leap Year.
Yeah, well, I kind of like calling him that.
Leap
so if I
year?
see him in person, I'm going to call him Leap Year.
Leap Year.
Leap Year.
Leaper.
Okay. Yeah, well, he's Leap Year to me. He's great. But anyway, he sent us that Death Wish, and that first Death Wish stuff, holy crap, man. That was like methamphetamines. It was insanity. Yeah, I actually like the second bag of that he sent better than that first one. Dude, man, we are huge coffee.
And it wasn't the flavor, it was the...
No, the flavor and everything, dude. It was that, man, I was bouncing off the damn walls, man. I got high blood pressure.
They did warn us. Even his daughter got on and warned us. Be careful.
Man.
It's
I'll tell you what. You sitting there.
Yeah.
It was great. Oh, yeah, dude. It was great. This stuff's pretty good, too. Hey, how you doing, man? What's up?
We got a sunny day outside. Let's get our...
Yeah, I've been listed all morning. It's the sun is just now hit the cabin and everything, man. Had the fire roasting.
It's over
72 degrees.
No, it's 68.
Oh, that's perfect. That's the perfect temperature. So, but anyway, the sun is starting to hit out there, and today we are actually going to pull a bunch of stuff out of the cook shack and put it out on a pallet and tables to go through. Pull it out so that we can put more crap in this side. Man, Jesus. But we are, man. It's getting better and better around here. Even Katie Joe said it's getting a lot better, more organized, and so much stuff, you know. And then we came in, not a ton yesterday that I showed you, but some stuff. And then something that we have done, and if you're doing eBay or whatever that you may want to, Muskrat may want, oh, there's a note from Muskrat right there. Just came in. But, something that you may want to do, that we do during Christmas season, is we went to 1 day shipping, or next day shipping, whatever you want to call it.
1 business day.
Yeah, 1 business day. Yeah, so on the, you know, on the weekends.
Because you could have taken that as express delivery, that they'll get it in.
Oh yeah, no express stuff. No, just the next day handling, right? Just the next, next day shipping or whatever. So any of the, I'm going to show you 5 things that we sold last night. Just last night, it was pretty, you know, not huge, but good.
It was good. It was a good night. I'm happy.
Entertaining, to say the least.
Yeah.
I'll show you this. Miss Kitty's prize that she got to say, I was like, what the hell are you buying that thing for? Let me see what I'm doing here. All right. Dude, this is good coffee now, because I'm ready to go chop wood or something.
I'm ready to go. Yeah.
Let's do it.
You're moving too slow for me.
Whoa, man. Whoa. Yeah. All right. So start off. We got this little, and I think I showed when I got it. Didn't last very long. And I should have put more money on it, because after we researched it a little bit more. But this is the abalone shell mother of pearl lighter case, big lighter, $26.70 shipped. That's all right. Then we got a Kawasaki 1985 to 1993 workshop motorcycle manual, $18.12 shipped. And then we have Layman pistol revolver handbook complete binding tight, $11.95 shipped. Now this is the one. So Miss Kitty, we're up in northern Idaho, and you know, putting stuff in our basket and stuff. Kevin and Kinsey was with us. You know, we're in there doing a little junking and stuff, and she hands this mug to me, and she's all, "Ain't it cool?" You know, I can't remember what it was, 50 cents or 25 cents. You know, and man, it's pretty cool, man. It's got the, you know, Tolo Lake mammoths and stuff on it, which is a
you don't know anything about them, go Google it.
Yeah, go Google it. It's awesome, man. In Grangeville, they dug this thing up in 92 or something like that.
It says right on that
doesn't it? Well, yeah, you can't read it because the writing's all wore off.
Not all of it.
It's 1994. So they dug this mammoth up in 1994. And this mug, if you can see, man, the writing's wore off, man. It's really been well used and all that. And she puts it in the basket, and I'm all, "You buying that?" She's all, "I love it. And it could be worth something." And I was like, "All right." So then we get it, and here she takes pictures of it, and she comes over and she just like plops it down on my thing, and she's all, "I want $40. I want this listed for $40. And I was all,
"Okay.
All right." So man, I do the description, put it on for $39.95. Dude, it wasn't even 24 hours, and we start getting offers on it. And ended up selling this 25-cent wore-out mug for $30 shipped. Good job, Miss Kitty.
I thought so.
Yeah, but it's pretty dang cool. Well, I like it a lot now. I'd like to buy a half dozen of them. And then last but not least, this dice. Got a vintage 4-inch hard-ribbed inside dice cup with 6 vintage dice from Idaho Saloon. $66.95 shipped.
Nice.
Yeah, that was a good one. We've actually sold half a dozen or more of those over the years. And that was it. That was last night. We'll do a few little in between, or I guess, yeah, and when we do a video in here, we're actually almost see the bottom of my mug. But,
drink up a little bit more
yeah,
to be able to see
I'll
it.
guzzle it right at the end, man. And salute y'all. Good day. Today, because we're going to go out and work on that Miss Kitty hair. And I pull Miss Kitty hairs everywhere she sheds. Did you get that off the hairball on her chair the other day? We're like, holy crap, dude.
You got long hair, there's so much hair on one strand that it'll tangle up and stuff. And
I pull her hair out everywhere. So we're going to get ready to go outside. Might do a little filming what we got going on out there once we get going. What the heck it's, yeah, man. Yes, man. Just so much going on in this brain. I just can't even fathom it all.
You need your sandalwood oil.
Man, and plus I'm going 150 miles an hour. Check this out.
Oh, you got it.
I love this. It's a family-friendly channel. Yeah, I love that thing. So great. So great. But, I think that's about it for today. Just a little check-in. That's what we're doing, man. We're going to sit here. I don't think you want to sit here and watch me this. Getting ready. This is my next coffee. Look. Love that thing.
It's heavy, huh?
Yeah. It's freaking amazing. On those Bigfoot or Sasquatch books, what do you figure about? 30 for one and 40 for the other. You know? And then I'm missing the blue one, man, so I got to go back. And I did look for it, but there's a set of 3 of those, man. And of course, the blue one's the highest dollar.
Yes, it's
So we'll see what we can find there. So other than that, you got anything?
No, I don't.
Good Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise.
We will be back again tomorrow.
See ya!